Good day to you. How are you today? You are fine. Okay, so today we are going to be learning about time. We are going to be learning about time. Time. Are we ready? Okay, let's go. We have morning. And what do we mean by morning? Morning is the time when the sun comes up, when the sun is smiling, the time when the sun comes up. So morning is the time we wake up from sleep. Morning is the time we wake up from our sleep. Okay? In the morning, we wake up and get ready for the day. And what do we do in the day? We go to school. We get ready to go to school. And when we are getting ready, we eat our breakfast. We what? Eat our breakfast. So in the morning, we wake up to go to school. Before going to school, we eat our breakfast. So breakfast is eaten in the morning. Breakfast is eaten in the morning. In the morning is when the sun comes up, right? And we prepare to go to school. In the morning is when the sun comes up and we prepare to go to school. We first of all have our breakfast before we go to school, okay? Do we understand that? Morning is the time we wake up from sleep. And it is bright outside. It is bright outside. So morning is the time we wake up from sleep. Morning is the time we wake up from sleep. It is when the day is bright. And we eat our breakfast in the morning. The food we eat in the morning is called breakfast. It is called breakfast. So we wake up in the morning when the day is bright and we prepare to go to school. But we eat our breakfast first. The food we eat in the morning, it is called breakfast. Okay? Did we get that? Good. So after morning, what do we have? We have afternoon. We have what? Afternoon. And in the afternoon, it is when the sun is brighter. It is when the sun is brighter. And we eat our lunch in the afternoon. The food we eat in the afternoon is called lunch. It is called lunch. The food we eat in the afternoon, it is called lunch, okay? And what do we do in the afternoon? It is the time we eat our lunch and play. It is the time we eat our lunch and play. And when we finish eating our lunch and playing, we go back to learning. We go back to what? Learning. And when we finish learning, we go home. We do what? Go home. So in the afternoon, we play, we eat our lunch, and we keep on learning. Then we go home from school. Did we get that? In the afternoon, we eat our lunch, then we continue to play, then we go to learning, and we go back home. So the afternoon is when we eat our lunch and play. Afternoon is when the sun is very bright, right? Yes, that is correct. So we have the morning. The morning is when we eat our breakfast and we go to school in the morning because the day is bright, the sun just came up. And we have the afternoon. The afternoon is when we eat our lunch, right? And we continue playing, then continue learning, and we go back home, okay? After the afternoon, night comes. Night was comes. The day turns dark, and it is time for sleeping. When the day turns dark, it is time for sleeping. And before we sleep, we eat our dinner. The food we eat in the night is called dinner. It is called what? Dinner. When the night time comes, we eat our dinner. It will be dark outside, so we go to sleep because it is time for bed. Then mommy or daddy reads us bedtime stories. Okay? So the night time is for sleeping. It's for sleeping. We sleep during the night. In the morning, we eat our breakfast. In the afternoon, we eat our lunch. In the night, we eat our dinner. And the night time is for sleeping. Okay? So we have days of the week. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we are going to be learning about the days of the week. And the first day of the week is Sunday. It is Sunday. We go to church on Sunday. And the next day of the week is Monday. What do we do on Monday? We go to school. And what do we do on Monday? We go to school. On Tuesday, we go to school. On Wednesday, we go to school. On Thursday, we go to school. And on Friday, we go to school. Then on Saturday, we stay at home and watch TV. We play with our toys and we clean our environment. Is that correct? Yes. Days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Can we go again? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We go to church on Sunday. We go to school on Monday. And we go to school on Tuesday. We go to school on Wednesday. We go to school on Thursday. We go to school on Friday. And on Saturday, we stay at home and clean and watch TV and play. Is that right? Good. So we have days of the week as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and no other day. We have only 7 days as days of the week. Okay? There are 7 days in the week. There are 7 days in the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. On Sunday, we go to church. On Monday, we go to school. Tuesday, we go to school. Wednesday, we go to school. Thursday, we go to school. Friday, we go to school. Saturday, we stay at home and play and clean and watch TV. Okay? So how do we know our time. I'm going to know about our time next. Are we ready to know about our time? Okay, let's go. Wow, what is this? This is a clock. It is called a clock. It is called a wall clock. It is called a wall clock. And here we have what is called the hand in the clock. And this is called the shorthand. It is called shorthand. It is called the shorthand. And the shorthand represents the hour hand. It represents the hour hand. The hour hand is how long we wait to watch our cartoons. So the shorthand represents the hour hand, and the hour hand is how long we wait to watch our cartoons. Is that right? Good. The shorthand is the hour hand. The shorthand is what? The hour hand. Okay, this is the shorthand and it is called the hour hand. Okay, and we have the long hand. We have the word long hand. The long hand is the minute hand. The long hand is the minute hand. The long hand is the minute hand. Did we get that? The short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. Okay? The short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. So here we have our wall clock just like we have here and here, but this one has the two hand. It has the two hand. And we said this is the short hand, right? Because it's shorter than the long one. So the short hand, we said it represents the hour hand. And the long hand represents the minutes. Is that correct? The short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. Did we get that? The short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. And we have the two hands in our clock. This is the long hand and it is the minute hand. And this is the short hand and it's the hour hand. We are going to be able to differentiate it now, right? This is a wall clock and we have the short hand and the long hand in the wall clock. And we said the short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. Did we get that? Good. So we are going to be practicing what we just learned by doing our homework, okay? We learned about morning, afternoon, and night. We said morning is the time we go to school and eat also our breakfast. Afternoon is the time we play and eat our lunch and continue learning, right? And night is the time we eat our dinner and sleep. Is that correct? Then we learned about days of the week, right? We have 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We said all that, okay? And we also learned about the short hand representing the hour hand and the long hand representing the minute hand. So we'll be able to do our homework, right? Yes, because we learned about them today. We enjoyed today's lesson, right? Yes, we did. Okay, make sure you practice your work.